Let me know before you shoot it off all crazy again, okay? Oh, all right. Thanks. Hello. Honey, remember we have tree there and trash can. I don't want you to burn my house down. What happened to that? No, it's still burning, huh?
Where's my glove?
I don't know. Huh? Well, it'll destroy it?
Wiring.
Did it ruin it?
Probably.
Oh no. Huh? So all that work and now it's ruined? Quite the setup. Can you take the wires out of it, or are they sort of permanently in there? Well, is it too late anyway? Still smoking though, huh? It's very exciting. What did you call this? Wow, 305 degrees? Is that temperature? Shut up. Wow, it's cooling down quick, but holy man. Wow. Wow. Apparently. This is your little contraption, huh? You gonna put this on YouTube? Can we crop out the crappy mess in our garage? That wasn't quite how you wanted it to be?